Are you looking for a unique way to reveal the gender of your baby? I'm here with DIY expert Deanne Duke, and she's going to be showing us how to make a piñata that reveals the gender of a baby. I didn't even know this existed.
I know, it's pretty awesome.
So how do we start?
Okay, well, first we need to protect our table, so we use an unstick arts and craft mat.
Okay, now you're my favorite because you're protecting the furniture, and I like it.
Exactly, and your wife will like it too.
Yeah.
Okay, so to begin, we need to first of all make a pattern and then cut out 2 pieces from cardboard.
Okay, so we're making a heart.
A heart, yeah, we're making a heart piñata.
Okay, cool.
And we also need 4-inch strips of cardboard.
Okay.
Okay, and even if you have shorter pieces, it doesn't really matter. It can all just be taped together and.
Okay, tape it all together. Okay, and we're taping it using masking tape?
We are using masking tape. You can also use packing tape, but before we begin that, I just wanted to say.
With my tape.
Yeah, I kind of can.
It's like, not yet.
Before we attach the second piece, we have to make sure that there's a ribbon for hanging the piñata.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, that's why you're here, because I would have done the whole thing and then realized I have no way of attaching it.
How am I going to hang it? Right. And also at the bottom, this is where the all the reveal falls out. So we have to make just a little flap here, just by leaving it a little shorter on this end and a little longer here.
So just a little overlap, and then when you pull the string, that's when everything comes out, right?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Okay.
I like that.
So if you wanted to grab the masking tape.
Now we're ready for the tape.
Now we are ready, and we just have to tape kind of sporadically. It doesn't have to be like super.
Because we're going to cover this all up, right?
We're going to cover it all up, and it's just holding confetti and rose petals, so it's not like we're putting heavy weights in there.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. And then we're going to flip over to the decorating part now.
Ooh.
Yeah. So this is basically the piñata's covered in tissue paper. So this is the most
pretty. I probably shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, it has to be. I worked really hard on that. Okay, so I have some 1.5 to 2-inch strips already cut here.
Tissue paper?
Tissue paper, yeah. Okay. Oh, actually here, if you wanted to maybe fold that and then cut it.
Like fold it again?
Yeah, this way, just to save time.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, and then, you can actually cut that right in half because that's a little thick.
That's a little thick?
Okay, no, the other way.
Oh, this way?
I know. Yeah, okay.
Yeah? Do you want me to go like that?
Yeah, you can go like that.
I'm so confused. Okay, like that. Oh, I get it. Okay. So then I'm cutting it.
Perfectly.
Okay.
So anyways, then we will end up.
Anyways, this is what it's supposed to really look like.
Then we're going to end up with a fringe like this, okay? Yeah, okay, so basically we're going to attach
mine in there. Just pretend that one wasn't mine.
So it's a 3-step process.
Yeah.
We're just going to glue.
Okay, glue.
Stick it on there. Yeah, okay. And then grab your scissors and then trim it here because we're doing half pink and half blue piñata. Yeah, and then then it's just another step of gluing.
Oh, I was like, where did you get that one? But oh no. Okay, on the cardboard. There we go.
Yeah, so this is the part that takes the longest. So basically,
it ends up
looking like this.
I like it.
Yeah, and then I put a question mark there, just cut out a cardstock. And yeah.
And what do you fill with it? Like, what do you put in it?
Oh, we are going to fill it with some rose petals and tissue paper, but first we have to just add in the ribbon because we need a ribbon to pull it.
Okay, so quickly before we throw it a break, how do we add the ribbon?
Okay, we just thread it right through the hole and put it through the hole.
And that's where we're going to be pulling.
Pulling.
And then find out if we're having a boy or a girl, and then away we go.
Exactly. Yeah, so here was the confettis if we wanted to fill it. Or
we fill it with that?
Yeah, and we fill it with that. So we just tip it open.
And that looks great. Well, thanks so much, Deanne. For more information, guys, you can visit marcandmandy.com. We're going to take a short break. We'll be right back.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.